Dear teachers, welcome to this platform. Welcome to this part 2 of workshop teaching learning material in foundation years. In part 1, we had covered what is TLM, different strategies, different types of TLMs used in foundation years, certain models which are related to teaching learning. And today we will start with part 2. Part 2 will include tips for teachers, teacher activity, certification, certificate generation, queries. So let's start with tips for teachers. Teaching materials are required for several reasons that contribute to effective learning and education. Now, what are the different reasons which include it? So, the very first reason is structured learning. Teaching material provide a well-organized and structured approach to learning. When we have teaching materials in our hand, it helps educators present information in a logical and sequential manner, making it easier for students to grasp and understand what the teacher is saying and retain the concepts. Comprehensive coverage is the another reason. Teaching material ensure that all the essential topics and concepts are covered in a curriculum. This helps to guarantee that students receive balanced and comprehensive education. Teaching learning material clear the explanations, include examples, illustrations to help students understand the complex ideas and concepts too. Make learning more accessible, engaging for students with varying learning styles and abilities. Consistency is another reason. Teaching material help maintain consistency in the delivery of curriculum across different classrooms and schools. This ensures that students receive uniform education standard, regardless of their location or the teacher of that particular location. Assessment and evaluation. Teaching material often include assessment tools such as quiz, puzzles. These tools help educators track the student progress. That is why we use TLMs in the classroom. So yes, using TLMs and what are the reason behind using TLMs is a different one. So that is what we are looking forward for. Time management. Teaching materials save educators time in lesson planning preparation. They provide ready to use resources which are available in the skill lab, which we had already discussed, allowing the teachers to focus on delivering the content effectively and addressing students' individual needs. Time management also help the teacher to deal with the remedial students as well. Interactivity and engagement. Many teaching materials are designed to be interactive and engaging, encouraging the students to participate actively in the learning process. It promotes more enjoyable and effective learning experience. When we collaborate, we learn more. When we collaborate, we communicate more. So teaching materials can facilitate collaboration also, communication between students, teachers, and of course, parents. They can be used as common reference point for discussions, assignments, and projects, fostering a sense of community and shared understanding. So, a very small word with so many reasons. So, teaching learning materials are very important to be used in effective manner in the classroom for engaged and effective learning. In summary, teaching material are essential in ensuring a well organized, comprehensive, engaging learning experience for students, while also providing educators with the tools and resources needed to effectively deliver the curriculum and assess student progress. Now, this is an activity for the teachers. How to use this setup in class. Comment box is open for you all. You can put your answer in the comment box. After attempting it, you will be able to generate the certificate. So, teacher activity is very important to attempt for certificate generation. This is the first activity, activity number 1, how to use this setup in the class. Share your idea in the comment box. Next activity for the teachers, how to use this in numeracy. Sorry for the spelling mistake. How to use this in numeracy. Share your idea in comment box. This is a hopscotch which is used for the words. How you will use it in a very different and innovative manner for numeracy, because actually hopscotch are related with numeracy only. But yes, here we are looking for an idea which is really out of the box. Now, this is the very interesting tip, that is think out of the room. When I'm doing my literacy, when I'm doing my CVC words, when I'm doing my sight words, I'm making a setup which is actually related with the gross motor skills and designing such outdoor, outside the classroom, and making the children learn more and more with fun, joy, happiness. And that is what TLM is all about. Last but not the least, learning is a feeling. Let the children feel it. So, dear teachers, I hope this session was effective for you. Both the parts are full of knowledge for you, and you will implement such good knowledge in the classroom as well. Keep on sharing your insights, videos, learning experiences, and your queries also on abcteaching875@gmail.com. Thanks for connecting. We'll connect soon with the next workshop. Till then, bye bye. Take care.